Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous class we had completed from question number 1 to 5 of exercise 4a. Now in today's class, let's start with the question number 6. Question number 6 is express the following rational numbers in standard form. As I have explained you in the introduction video, that standard form means numerator as well as denominator should not be divisible by any same number, like 2 upon 3. 2 and 3 are not divisible by any same number. And in another word, you can say that HCF, that means highest common factor of 2 and 3. That means numerator and denominator should be 1. Clear? Second thing you need to remember, denominator should not be negative. If we have 1 upon minus 4, this is not the standard form. Why? Because denominator is negative. So in standard form, numerator as well as denominator should not be divisible by any same number. Second, denominator should not be negative. Right? Here they have given minus 6 upon 15. So firstly check numerator and denominator both are divisible by same number, which is 3. So cut them by 3. 3 2s are 6 of minus sign. 3 5s are 15. So what you have? Minus 2 upon 5. Now numerator as well as denominator both are not divisible by any same number and denominator is positive. So this is the standard form. Next part is 21 upon minus 35. First of all, check numerator or denominator are divisible by any same number or not. Yes, both are divisible by 7. So cut them by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35 of minus sign. So this is 3 upon minus 5. But as I have explained in previous class, the denominator cannot be negative in standard form. So what you will do here, 3 upon minus 5, if you multiply numerator as well as denominator by the minus 1, what do you get? Minus 3 upon 5, right? So in previous class also you have studied that 3 upon minus 5 is also equals to minus 3 upon 5, or you can also write minus 3 upon 5, right? So now we will write this 3 upon minus 5 as minus 3 upon 5. Clear? Now this is a standard form. This is your answer. Next, fifth part is minus 1302 upon minus 1953. Now firstly you have to find with which number numerator and denominator are divisible. Numerator is given, this is divisible by 2, but denominator is not divisible by 2 because this is an odd number. Right, now check by 3. How do we check the divisibility of 3? We add the digits. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is divisible by 3 now, so that number will be divisible by 3. Check for this, 1953. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 3, 18. This is also divisible by 3, so cut them. 3 4s are 12, 1 is remaining. Now it's 10. 3 3s are 9, again 1 is remaining. 3 4s are 12. This is of minus sign, right? Denominator 3 6s are 18, 1 is remaining. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 of minus sign. You can also cancel out the minus sign. So this is 434 upon 651. Now check this numerator or denominator are divisible by any same number or not. Let's find its HCF. Why we find HCF? Because HCF means highest common factor. And the HCF of any two number, divide those numbers completely हमें भी ऐसा ही नंबर चाहिए जो कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड करे. सो वी आर फाइंडिंग हियर HCF. इट विल हेल्प अस टू फाइंड the highest common factor, the number with which we can divide easily, right? So 434 ones are 434, subtract 4, 11 minus 4 is 7, 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 4 2. Now next step is make the sum here. यही करते हैं ना. Now this will be our dividend 434. Now this is 2's are 2 7's are 14, 2 1's are 2 plus 1 3, 2 2's are 4. So what is HCF here? 217. So this number as well as this number both will be divided by 217, right? So check when we will divide 434 by 217, we will get 2 because 2 7's are 14, 2 1's are 2 plus 1 3. 2 2's are 4. So we are getting in numerator 2, and when we will divide the denominator 651 by 217, we will get 3's are 3 7's are 21, 3 1's are 3 plus 2 5, 3 2's are 6. So in denominator we are getting 3. So what is your answer now? 2 upon 3. Now 2 as well as 3 are not divisible by any same number. So this is in standard form. This is your answer. Next question is fill in the blanks. Here on the left hand side they have given minus 5 upon minus 8 is equals to dash upon 16. Firstly we find this value. Leave this part for few minutes, right? पहले हम इस blank की value निकाल लेते हैं. So what we will check here equal sign is given. It means these are equivalent rational numbers, this and this, right? So check the part where both the sides are given. Denominators are given on both the sides. So check 8 से 16 कैसे आएगा? When we will get 16 from minus 8. 8 को अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे we will get 16. But sign is changing. Here sign was negative. Here sign is positive. So we will multiply by minus 2. आपको previous class में भी बताया है. When the sign is changing, it means we are multiplying by the negative integer, right? And if we are multiplying the denominator by the minus 2, we will multiply the numerator also by minus 2 because these are equivalent. So 5 2's are 10. And minus minus plus, so this will be 10 upon 16. So the numerator is 10. Simple. Now we have found the value of this blank in this rational number. So no need to take this rational number. Just take this one which they have given and this one in which we want to find the denominator. Minus 5 upon minus 8 is equals to 25 upon blank. Numerator are given on both the sides. So check 5 to 25. How we will get this? 5 5's are 25, right? Sign is changing. Previously it was minus. Now this is of plus sign. It means we will multiply the negative integer. So multiply denominator also by the same integer minus 5. 8 5's are 40 minus minus plus. So this is 25 upon 40. So the value of this blank will be 40. Clear? Let's do one more part. Here firstly we will take these two parts because this one is given and in this we want to find the value of this blank. So take these two parts. Minus 8 upon blank is equals to 4 upon 13. In this rational number both the sides are given. So firstly we will consider this one as the base. इसको हम base rational number मानेंगे, right? So from this 4 how we can get minus 8? 4 2's are 8. Sign is changing. 4 was of plus sign. 8 is of minus sign, so we will multiply the negative integer. Similarly, we will do in denominator. Multiply this 13 by minus 2, right? So 4 2s are 8, minus sign, 13 2s are 26 and minus sign. So value of this blank is minus 26. Now take these two parts. 4 upon 13 is equals to dash upon minus, students, this is 65, right? Minus 65. Now denominators are given on both the sides, so compare them. From 13, how you can find the 65? 13 5s are 65. Sign is changing. Previously 13 was of positive sign, but 65 is of negative sign, so we will multiply the negative integer. So multiply numerator also by the same integer, minus 5. 4 5s are 20, plus minus minus. Very simple, right? So this is minus 20 upon minus 65. Next question, question number 8. Which of the two rational numbers is greater? As I have explained you in introduction video, we have two methods to compare. First, cross multiplication method, which I am using here, and second is making their denominator same. For more than two numbers, we will use LCM method. Otherwise, we will use cross multiplication method, right? So write this numerator, minus 3. It will be multiplied by the 7. Or write this numerator, minus 6. It will be multiplied by this 14. 7 3s are 21 of minus sign. 14 6 are 84 of minus sign. If you see 21 and 84, 84 is greater than 21, but if minus sign comes with both these numbers, the smaller number, which was 21, will become greater number, right? Negative में जो smaller है वो greater हो जाता है. So here this minus 21 will be greater. It means this rational number will be greater. Minus 3 upon 14 is greater. Now next part, minus 7 upon 13 or 0. Students, always you don't need to cross multiply. Sometimes you can directly, by using common sense, you can find the answer. Now this is the negative number. You know na, if numerator or denominator are negative, then those rational numbers are negative rational numbers, and if both are negative or none of these are negative, then these will be positive rational numbers. So this is negative rational number, minus 7 upon 13, right? On the number line, 0 is here. On left side we write negative numbers, and on right side we write positive numbers. And I have explained that पॉजिटिव नंबर्स आर ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव नंबर्स. जो राइट में नंबर लाइन पर वैल्यूज आती हैं वो ऑलवेज ग्रेटर होती है. ज़ीरो कहाँ पर आ रहा है? राइट में आ रहा है. इट मीन्स ज़ीरो इज ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव नंबर्स, राइट? सो ज़ीरो इज ग्रेटर. सिंपल. नेक्स्ट वन, minus 22 upon minus 33. Second rational number, 45 upon minus 65. Firstly, we try to remove negative sign from the denominator. This minus 22 upon minus 33. Minus minus can be cancelled out because 22 upon 23 means we are dividing now. So this is equals to 22 upon 33, right? and this 45 upon minus 65 is also equals to minus 45 upon 65. You have done this type of question so many times, right? So minus 45 upon 65. Now you can see this is the negative rational number and this is the positive rational number. So which should be greater? Of course positive. So this will be greater. This is the greater. Minus 22 upon minus 33 is greater. Clear? Next question, question number 9 is which of the two rational numbers is smaller? Again we will compare them. Now we will find the smaller one, right? This minus 5 upon 8 and this 3 upon minus 8 can be written as minus 3 upon 8, right? Now denominators are same, so we will compare the numerators minus 5 and minus 3. Check if 5 and 3 are there. अगर 5 and 3 होता तो which one is smaller? 3 is smaller, 5 will be greater, right? But if minus sign comes with these two numbers, smaller value becomes greater. 3 smaller thi, now it will become greater, and 5 will be smaller, right? So minus 5 upon 8 is smaller than minus 3 upon 8. 5 upon 8 is smaller. Next one, 8 upon 17 and this minus 9 upon minus 17 can be written as minus sign will be cancelled out, 9 upon 17. Now denominators are same, so we will compare the numerators 8 and 9. Which one is smaller? 8 is smaller. So 8 upon 17 is smaller. Right? If denominators are same, no need to cross multiply, no need to take the LCM because denominator is already same. Just compare the numerator, and numerator having smaller value is the smaller rational number. Next one, 19 upon minus 5 can be written as minus 19 upon 5, and this is 1. As I said, this is the negative rational number and 1 is the positive one. So which will be greater? Of course, positive value will be greater, 1 is greater, right? यही होता है ना नंबर लाइन में मिड में 0, this side is positive and this side is negative. Positive side is always greater and negative side is smaller. So 1 is positive, 1 will come on this side on the number line. So 1 is greater. It means minus 19 upon 5 is smaller. Next one, minus 11 upon 1111. This 1 upon minus 103 can be written as minus 1 upon 103. Simple. So write it here, minus 1 upon 103. Now write this numerator. Denominators are different now, so we will use cross multiplication method. Multiply it by this 103. Write this numerator. Multiply it by 1111. Now when you will multiply these two, you will get 1133 of minus sign, and after multiplying these two you will get the same number 1111, and that will be of minus sign. Now you can easily compare them. This is 1133 and this is 1111. If we check them without sign, then this one is greater. But when minus sign comes with these two, जब इनके साथ minus sign आ जाता है, the smaller value become the greater one. and the greater one becomes smaller. So this is the smaller one, right? So the rational number minus 11 upon 1111 is smaller. Next question, question number 10. Which of the symbols equal, less than or greater should replace the blank space? Again we are comparing two rational numbers. This is 5 upon 4 and this is 1. 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. So firstly write this numerator 5 multiplied by this one. Now write this numerator 1 and multiply it by this 4. This is 5 ones are 5 and this is 4 ones are 4. Which one is greater? This one. So we will put this sign here. 5 upon 4 is greater than 1. Again we have minus 2 whole 3 upon 7 and on the right hand side minus 2 whole 3 upon 5. Firstly these are in mixed. We will change them in the improper. 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17. ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, इनको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और ये ऐड करते हैं. सो दिस इज 17 of minus sign upon 7. Denominator remains same. Now again change it. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 of minus sign upon 5. Now cross multiply them. Firstly write this numerator minus 17 multiplied by this 5. Write this numerator minus 13 multiplied by this 7. 17 5s are 85 of minus sign. 13 7s are 91 of minus sign. Now both the values have minus sign. If we compare 85 and 91, which one is greater? 91. But when minus sign comes with both these numbers, greater value becomes smaller and smaller becomes greater. So now minus 85 is greater than minus 91. So we will put this sign here. This one is greater. So students, in today's class we have discussed from question number 6 to question number 10. In further class we will start with the next questions. Till then keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.